Don't be talking about me.
Yeah, how many of y'all women wear that body magic stuff? Don't be ashamed. Shoot, I be wearing my little things sometimes too. Shoot, you know, little gut gets hanging over. Ain't nothing wrong with that, but I tell you one thing, I better not hear nobody say somebody took advantage of them wearing no body magic. How somebody gonna take your stuff and they got to undo all the buttons and hooks and snappers and buckles and all? By the time they get that thing off, y'all coming out married. Shoot. I don't hear that. It just happened. It don't just happen with no body magic on. Them body magic, they'll make you more selective when you at that club. You know, you all flying, all sucked in. And the old boy talking about, let's go to the room. Like, right now? Right now? I don't know if I want to take all this off him, but shoot. See, the thing is, you got to make sure that cat really like you, because you know you're going to look like a busted can of biscuits when you bust up out there. Well, I do anyway, shit. Now, it's all good. I lost 10 pounds. I lost 10 pounds. Yeah, I lost 10 pounds of weed. If anybody, look up on your table, y'all. I'm trying to make a living and stuff. I don't sell weed. I'm sorry. Forgive me, Lord. I'm sorry. You know, sometimes I just... Yeah, but we're going to get this thing started in a few minutes. Gonna let give talent a few more minutes to come in. We got a few more people coming in. We're going to be out for chain tonight. Y'all be prepared to bust your laugh muscles. We're going to have y'all laughing. We're going to have y'all singing. We're going to have you dancing. We're going to have an old school dance competition in a few minutes. So y'all start doing your stretches. Do your little squats and your bends and stuff. We're going to see what y'all got. We might give y'all a little something to the winner. So y'all enjoy yourself for a few more minutes.